Xing brand ARC358DV manual welding machine. 220 volts and 380 volts can be picked up. The fuselage is small and only 3.5 kilograms. It's just a little bit bigger than a cell phone. The width is only one phone height. It's a little bit bigger than a cell phone, but its interior workmanship is very good. Take a look. Come. Reasonable layout and structure. There's a control version of it. There are also small panels. It has 4 IGBT single tubes. This is the transformer. And then it has for 390 microfarad 400 volt capacitors. Look behind. It's the both type switch and the machine nameplate. The power cords are all copper. This machine is suitable for 3.2 and 4.0 electrodes.